This video will be a self-guided review again of the statistics graphs that are included in our chapter 2, section 1 and 2. So we're going to be looking at histograms, frequency polygons, ogives, which are cumulative frequency graphs, and frequency distributions as we go, okay? Self-guided means I'm going to read the question, you're going to pause the video, think about your answer, and then turn it back on when you're ready to check it. So let's begin. The first one, number 1, says find the class with the greatest value of data values. So you have a histogram here. You want to find the one with the greatest. Answer A is 70, answer B is 90, answer C is 60, and answer D is 40. So pause the video, think about it. On this one, if you answered C, you are correct. The highest value here will be the tallest bar, and that happens at 60. Number 2, which of the following could be an ogive? So here's graph A, graph B, graph C, and graph D. Pause the video, see what you think. If you answered C, you are correct. An ogive is a cumulative frequency graph, and that one keeps climbing. It doesn't come back down, it climbs the entire time. Number 3, which of the following is a histogram? Graph A here has the dots, graph B has the line graph, graph C is the horizontal bars, graph D is the vertical bars. Pause the video. Okay, if you answered D, you are correct. We would have the vertical bars in a histogram. Number 4, a frequency polygon is a frequency polygon and a histogram have the same overall shape. A is true, B is false. If you answered true, you are correct. It is A. A frequency polygon is the line graph, like, they don't have one on this one, but a line graph that goes up and down, and it would have the same shape as the histogram for that data. Okay, number 5. An ogive and a frequency polygon have the same shape. A is true, B is false. Okay, the answer to that one is false. It's B. An ogive always climbs. A frequency polygon will follow the data. Number 6. The total frequency of the data whose ogive is shown below. So you're looking at an ogive, okay? The data goes, it looks like from 6 to 18. On the left, frequencies from 0 to 40. They want to know, is the total frequency approximately A12, B18, C34, or D90? So pause the video. Okay, if you answered C34, you are correct. Remember, an ogive climbs, so at the end of it, that tells us how much data we have. It keeps climbing the whole time, so it is adding for us. All right, number 7, which type of graph represents the data by using vertical bars of various heights to indicate frequencies? A is ogive, B is frequency polygon, C is histogram, D is cumulative frequency. Okay, on number 7, if you answered C, histogram, you are correct. An ogive and a cumulative frequency are the same thing. That's a line graph. A frequency polygon is also a line graph. Number 8, a frequency polygon is a graph that displays the data by using lines that connect points plotted for the frequencies at the midpoints of the classes. A is true, B is false. All right, for number 8, if you answered A, true, you are correct. The frequency polygon is the one that uses midpoints. Number 9, a histogram uses midpoints for the X values and the frequency as the Y values. A is true, B is false. All right, on that one, if you answered B is false, you are correct. Remember, the frequency polygon uses midpoints. The histogram uses the frequencies. Number 10, a histogram is a graph that represents the cumulative frequencies for the classes in a frequency distribution. A is true, B is false. Pause the video and think about it. All right, for number 10, if you answered B false, you would be correct. A histogram doesn't use cumulative frequencies, it uses frequencies. The ogive uses cumulative frequencies. Number 11, they're going to give you 4 choices for graphs here, which is a frequency polygon. This graph is A, that one is dots, this is B, that one is vertical bars, this is C, That one is a line graph. This one is D. That one is a horizontal line graph. Okay, if you answered C, you are correct. Frequency polygon would be the line graph. And notice it is attached at the beginning and the end. They bring it back down to the x-axis. Number 12, the total frequency of the data whose histogram is shown below. Okay, so we have a histogram here. They want to know if it is approximately A11, B20, C50, D100. So pause the video, think about this one. Okay, if you answered B, you are correct. Here's how you get it. Remember, in this one, the frequencies are represented by each bar. So this one is 1, this one is 2, this one is 3. We add those together, we get 6. This one looks like it's about 10 or 11. Let's say 10. That'd be 16. This one looks like 2, 18. This one looks like 3. I get 21. So the closest thing to that, it is approximate, is 20. So you should have answered B. Number 13, given the following frequency distribution, how many pieces of data were less than 28.5? So for the class boundary 13.5 to 18.5, the frequency is 4. 18.5 to 23.5, frequency is 9. 23.5 to 28.5, the frequency is 12. 28.5 to 33.5, the frequency is 15. 33.5 to 38.5, the frequency is 17. Now your answer choices are A12, B9, C25, and D17. So pause the video. Okay, if you answered C25, you are correct. The ones that are less than 28.5 would be 12 plus 9 plus 4. So you should have C for that one.